Are you aspiring to make it big in the professional world? Perhaps you're contemplating which career paths can lead you to the elusive millionaire status? Welcome to our guide on the top 7 careers to become a millionaire. In this rapidly evolving landscape of career choices, financial success often hinges on the decisions made early on. The pursuit of a career isn't solely about passion. It's about strategically selecting a field that not only resonates with your interests but also offers substantial financial rewards. Many dream of achieving millionaire status, but the path to this pinnacle varies widely among professions. We'll explore the crucial factors of market demand, skill sets, educational paths, and the relentless pursuit of excellence, all pivotal in determining which professions stand out as pathways to millionaire status. So, join us on this insightful journey as we unveil the top 7 career paths where dedication, skill, and ambition can pave the way to financial prosperity and the coveted millionaire lifestyle. Number 1. Technology entrepreneurship. In today's digitally driven world, the tech industry continues to revolutionize how we live and work. As a tech entrepreneur, you have the opportunity to create groundbreaking solutions that can impact millions. Think of Mark Zuckerberg and the rise of Facebook, or the disruptive innovation brought by companies like Tesla. Launching a tech startup requires not just a great idea but also the ability to execute it effectively. You'll need a strong understanding of technology trends, the ability to assemble a talented team, and the resilience to navigate challenges. The potential for scalability in tech ventures is immense. Whether it's developing apps, software, hardware, or entering fields like artificial intelligence or blockchain, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the road to success in tech entrepreneurship isn't always smooth. It involves taking risks, learning from failures, and constantly innovating to stay ahead. However, for those who persevere and disrupt industries with game-changing ideas, the rewards can be extraordinary, potentially leading to millionaire status and a lasting impact on the world. Number 2. Finance and investment banking. This field offers a myriad of opportunities for individuals adept at managing money and navigating complex financial markets. Investment banking, in particular, involves facilitating corporate transactions, mergers, acquisitions, and raising capital. Success in finance often hinges on a deep understanding of market dynamics, risk assessment, and strategic investment decisions. It's about analyzing data, predicting trends, and making informed choices. The potential for high earnings in this sector is substantial, especially for those who can leverage their expertise to make profitable investments. Entering the finance world demands a strong educational foundation, dedication, and the ability to thrive in a fast-paced, high-pressure environment. While it can be rewarding, it's essential to navigate ethically and with caution. Building wealth in finance often involves calculated risks and strategic planning, with the potential to accumulate significant wealth over time. Number 3. Medicine and specialized healthcare. The healthcare industry presents opportunities for financial success alongside the fulfillment of making a profound difference in people's lives. Becoming a doctor, surgeon, or specialized healthcare professional not only offers a stable and rewarding career but also the potential for significant financial gain. Entering the medical field requires years of rigorous education, dedication, and a commitment to lifelong learning. While the journey may be demanding, the demand for skilled healthcare professionals continues to grow. Specializing in high-demand areas like orthopedics, cardiology, or neurosurgery can lead to substantial earnings due to the specialized expertise required. Moreover, advancements in medical technology and treatments provide avenues for innovation and entrepreneurship within healthcare. However, it's essential to note that success in medicine requires not only financial acumen but also empathy, resilience, and a passion for improving lives. Number 4. Real estate development and investment. Now, let's explore career path on real estate development and investment. Real estate has long been a cornerstone of wealth creation. From residential properties to commercial spaces, the realm of real estate offers ample opportunities for financial growth through investment and development. Success in real estate hinges on understanding market trends, property valuation, and the ability to identify lucrative opportunities. Whether it's buying, selling, or developing properties, strategic decisions can lead to substantial financial gains. Flipping properties for profit or investing in high-demand locations are common strategies in this field. However, success in real estate requires more than just financial knowledge. It demands an understanding of local regulations, property management skills, and the ability to foresee market fluctuations. While it can be lucrative, It's also essential to manage risks effectively and adapt to changing market conditions. Number 5. Entertainment industry. Let's take a closer look at our fifth career path, the entertainment industry, encompassing acting, music, and sports. Entering this glamorous yet highly competitive field offers the potential for immense wealth and fame, but it requires exceptional talent, dedication, and perseverance. Whether it's captivating audiences on screen, enthralling fans with chart-topping music, or showcasing athletic prowess on the field, success in the entertainment industry can lead to extraordinary financial rewards. Top-tier actors, musicians, and athletes often amass vast fortunes through endorsements, royalties, and performance contracts. However, breaking into the entertainment industry demands not only talent but also resilience to overcome rejections and setbacks. It's an industry where hard work, networking, and seizing opportunities play crucial roles. Moreover, diversifying revenue streams through endorsements, merchandise, and brand partnerships is pivotal for sustaining financial success in the long run. Number 6. Law and corporate legal services. Moving on to our sixth career path, law and corporate legal services. Within the legal realm, specializing in corporate law or high-stakes cases can pave the way to substantial financial success. Lawyers providing specialized services to corporations or handling complex litigation often command high fees. Entering the legal field requires extensive education, critical thinking, and the ability to navigate intricate legal frameworks. Successful lawyers in corporate law or specialized areas can build a robust client base and establish themselves as key advisors in major business deals. However, achieving financial success in law demands not only legal expertise but also business acumen and the ability to adapt to evolving regulations. Establishing a strong reputation, networking effectively, and delivering exceptional service are crucial for sustained success in this competitive field. Number 7. Entrepreneurship in high-growth industries. Let's delve into entrepreneurship in high-growth industries. Identifying and seizing opportunities in emerging sectors like renewable energy, biotechnology, or e-commerce can lead to tremendous financial success. Entering these high-growth industries requires innovation, adaptability, and a keen understanding of market demands. Entrepreneurs who pioneer groundbreaking solutions or disrupt traditional industries often find themselves at the forefront of immense wealth creation. Success in high-growth entrepreneurship involves not just identifying trends but also executing innovative ideas effectively. It requires resilience in the face of challenges, a forward-thinking mindset, and the ability to scale businesses rapidly in dynamic markets. Remember, no matter the career path you choose, achieving millionaire status often demands dedication, continuous learning, and a passion for what you do. Which career path resonates with you the most? Share your thoughts with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep striving for your dreams.